Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I did so many things today. I'm probably going to miss a lot because I don't write them down, so I just go off the top of my head with memory. Anyways, if you remember yesterday, I told you about these. Got these in today. The plug-ins, or whatever you want to call it, the little plug whips. So anyways, that goes around following the flex, and that goes up to the circ pump up there, whatever it's called, circulating pump, circ pump for short, and then that just terminates in the box with the lid on there. And then I did another one down on the 4th floor, and also on the other side, this bathroom, the switch had to move over because this door basically was going to be in the way, so now it'll clear it like there or whatever, and then once you put the cover on and stuff like that, so have just enough room, and it should be fine next to the door as well. But basically there was a stud right here. I had to open this big hole up, and I had to grind the stud. It's a steel stud, so I had to basically just grind it sideways, and then down. And then luckily there was a spreader bar already in the wall. I basically just pushed that over or screwed it down to the wall. Screwed the box over, the wire was long enough, so that was cool. And luckily it turned out pretty clean. I just have no idea how they're gonna patch that, but that's not my problem. So anyways, they're just working on the bathrooms in here with the doors and stuff and turlets, YOLO. So anyways, no mirrors yet, but still got my lights in here. And then go down to 5 real quick and show you guys what I did down there. Also, one more thing on this 6th floor and every other floor before I forget. Some people, probably the sheetrockers, when they were taping in here, they unscrewed all my wires, basically just the 2 clips right there. So all of them were loose. I had to go back and restrap all of them, even though I already did that before. So I just they left the screws in the holes, which was nice, I guess, and the clips were still in the wire, so I basically just took the screws out, pushed it to the wall, screwed it back in. So did that on all of the floor, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. And now I'm headed down to 5. And then in this one, I did the same thing, just zip tied it to the flex, and that goes into the circ pump. And that blew up in my face, but did it on purpose because I was testing it. Basically, I plugged that in, and then touched the wires together at the end, make sure the circuit was off. It was on, blew up in my face. I'll show you what that looks like later if I remember. Anyways, I put this switch in here, so now the lights go on and off, but it doesn't seem to be working with the occupancy sensor or whatever. So like when you walk in, it's supposed to turn on, it's not doing that. So I don't know what that's about. Maybe it doesn't have that feature, but it looks like it does. So I don't know. I believe I wired it right with the red to the switch leg with the load or whatever. So anyways, I'll show you guys what I did around the corner real quick. They got all these RAM boards down so I keep the carpet clean, which isn't really working the best. See, like you walk in the room and boom, it's supposed to turn on, so I don't know what that's about. But anyways, up in the ceiling here, I'll try to throw a picture in on the screen, but there was the water fountain wasn't working. So I had to look at the junction box up in the ceiling because basically we're just seeing if we could fix it from there first without having to take this all apart. But I'll show you a picture of what that looks like if I remember. And basically the neutral wire was smashed against in between the lid and the box, and when they screwed the lid on there, it basically shaved off the insulation, and it was just the bare neutral wire touching the box, and it's just an automatic short, and didn't even let the circuit come on. So anyways, I'll show you a picture of that real quick, and I'll go to the next thing. Alright, so down here on the 4th floor, this light is on, and didn't tie the stuff I've been working on in with this light, because that would be bad. Anyways, working back on the ceiling, getting started here with the can lights, drop-in 4-foot troffer lights, and occupancy sensors. So I made up a couple boxes with the lights and the pre-made whips for the exit signs, can lights and all that good stuff. So I got a couple of those done, and then I was starting working down the hall. There's a guy working around the corner, so I'm probably not gonna say anything when I walk around there, but just working on that. And I'll show you the can trims that I worked on in the other bathroom, as well as in the other room, and then there's a home run box on the other side of the wall. So I just finished down here. So there is, I missed a grid wire, so I have to shoot another grid wire tomorrow. And those lights just turned off, no one's in there. And one of the lights stopped working, I think, because I'm pretty sure in a couple days ago the light turned on. But looking at now how the grid finished. See this light? That light stopped working. It's very weird. I think that was working yesterday. But very dark in here, but I was installing these can trims before they kicked me out of the bathroom to tile. Very dark, you can't really see anything, but did a bunch of those in this bathroom and the bathroom next door where that guy's working. And then head over here. That's blocked off. Some people in here. Alright guys, super dark. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Or if you want to help the YouTube algorithm, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. Drop me a like. I'd also greatly appreciate that. It would help the channel out. If you want to help me succeed in life, go ahead and drop me a like and subscribe. I appreciate that. Almost at 1,450 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thanks for all the great comments and just for supporting me. It means a lot that just making a video every day just for a little bit, that you guys enjoy that. It means a lot to me, and I'm gonna keep doing it until I get tired of it. So anyways, that'll do it. Check the description in the comment, oh my gosh, check the description box for social medias down below and all that good stuff. And until tomorrow, another last 12-hour day, I will see you later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.